Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I will like to present about my research proposal seminar entitled The Effect of Online Learning, Parent Attention, Intellectual Intelligence, and Emotional Intelligence on Accounting Learning Outcome of Students of SMKN 15 Jakarta. I want to say thank you to my lecturer who always teach me, guide me, support me, and always give motivation to complete my research proposal seminar. Thank you to Mrs. Dr. Rida Prihatni, SAMSE, and Mr. Dr. Mardi, MSE. Before we move to the presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Umi Nurul Hikmah, and I'm from Economy Education, Concrete Accounting Education, Faculty of Economics, UNJ 2018. Let's start the presentation. Now I have a 12 topic, and I will explain one by one. There are the background, formulation of problem, research purpose, benefit of research, conceptual description, preferred research result, theoretical framework, research hypothesis, place and time research, research method, population and research sample, and the last one is data analysis technique. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought change in the world of education. One of the changes that occurred was the issues for a government policy of the Republic of Indonesia through the circular letter of the Secretary General of the Ministry of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia number 15 of 2020 that May 18, 2020, instructing that in order to fulfill the right of students to obtain education service during the emergency period of COVID-19 through the implementation of learning from home or BDR. One of them happened the class 6 student at SMKN 15 Jakarta who had the following learning outcome in accounting from 2019 until 2021 class. Based on table 1.1 above, it can be seen that the class of 2019 had the highest number of class 6 students of SMKN 15 Jakarta who pursued accounting subject compared to the batch of 2020 and 2021. While in class 2021, class 10 of SMKN 15 Jakarta had the number of students who did not pursue accounting subject the most, that is 29 people out of 72 people in the two classes. The problem that arises in the lack of access to supporting learning technology, such as Wi-Fi and the technology device used such as a mobile phone still have limitation to be used as one learning media for class 10 students of SMKN 15 Jakarta who are taking accounting subject. Besides on the learning outcome of class 10 students of SMKN 15 Jakarta for the 2029 until 2021 class, it can be seen that the learning outcome of the 2029 class are more than two who reached the threshold value of accounting subject compared to 2000 and 2021 class, which had class 10 students with more than half the number of not graduating. Students in class 4 accounting subject, parents certainly want their children to grow up smart and intelligent. To achieve this, the role of parents is a very important factor. The provision of tutoring, learning facility, especially textbooks, and encouragement to study harder can greatly affect the accounting learning outcome of SMKN 15 Jakarta students. The ability of students to study accounting can be measured by intellectual intelligence to assessment human intelligence, and human intelligence has always been of primary interest in cognitive neuroassessment. A person's IQ is related to the level of assessment. The higher a person's level of intelligence, the higher the learning outcome. Next, formulation of the problem. Number 1. Does learning online take effect to result study of accounting on student at SMKN 15 Jakarta? Number 2. Does attention personal take effect to result student of accounting on student at SMKN 15 Jakarta? Number 3. Does intellectual intelligence have influence to result study of accounting on student at SMKN 15 Jakarta? Number 4. Does emotional intelligence have influence to result student of accounting on student at SMKN 15 Jakarta? Next, objective and benefit. Objective number 1. To prove the learning online take effect to research student of accounting on student at SMKN 15 Jakarta. Number 2. To prove the parents' attention takes effect to research student of accounting on student at SMKN 15 Jakarta. Number 3. To prove that intellectual take effect to research student of accounting on student at SMKN 15 Jakarta. Number 4. To prove that emotional intelligence take effect to research student of accounting on student at SMKN 15 Jakarta. Next, benefit. For student, means of knowledge implementation. For academic reference, searches for further academic research. For future research, searches of references for future research. Next, conceptual description. Number 1, learning outcome. Learning outcome show indicator of achievement of comprehension pursued by student. The teacher assumes that with high learning outcome, the learning objective have been achieved, but learning outcome in the form of high academic score only reflect the cognitive side. Whereas in the learning process, there are many things that must be achieved besides the cognitive side, namely affective and psychomotoric. Learning outcomes show achieved competition by student. This indicator can be measured by three aspects. Number 1, cognitive aspect. Number 2, affective aspect. Number 3, psychomotoric aspect. Next, online learning. According to Pratama and Mulyanti, online learning means learning that is done online, using learning application and social network. All forms of subject matter are distributed online. Communication is also carried out online, and tests are also carried out online. This online learning system is assisted by several applications such as Google Classroom, Google Meet, Edmodo, and Zoom. Learning online can be measured by indicator for number 1, process communication, number 2, information management learning, number 3, participant response, number 4, learning activity. Next, parents' attention. Parent attention is one of the important factors that determines student learning outcome because parent attention in the form of love in learning facility can motivations to study hard. Saputri, Siswanto, and Sukanto, the role of parent is shown as important factor in educating, guiding, and being responsible for paying attention to children learning activities at home. Parent attention indicator could be measured with 5. Number 1, tutoring student by parents at home. Number 2, student motivation to learning for passion, then DST. Number 3, parent involvement in learning activity on student. Number 4, good condition on student learning at home is created by parents. And number 5, parent profit more learning facility. Next, intelligence theory. Intelligence can be interpreted as the effect of one's mind, which is manifest in the ability to acquire a skill to solve a real and precise problem or problem in life. This theory is the basis for the formulation of intellectual and emotional intelligence. AJI 2021 argument the intellectual intelligence is the ability needed to perform various mental activities of thinking, reasoning, and solving problems. Manuel, according to intellectual intelligence, is a score which generally comes from various tests. To assess human intelligence, and human intelligence has always been of primary interest in cognitive neuroassessment. Thus, intellectual intelligence is quite important to be able to influence student learning outcome as a form of the level of student ability to understanding what they have learning. 3 dimension to measure this indicator intellectual. Number 1, problem solving ability. Number 2, verbal intelligence. And number 3, practical intelligence. Next, emotional intelligence. The emotional intelligence of students has an influence of student learning outcome. Emotional intelligence is able to train the ability to manage their feeling, the ability to motivation themselves, the ability to be strong in the face of frustration, the ability to control impulses and delay momentary gratification, regulation reactive moods, and be able to empathize and cooperate with others. This intelligence support a student is achieving his goals and ideals. Not a few people fail in life not because their intellectual intelligence is low, but because they lack emotional intelligence. Not a few people who are successful in life because they have emotional intelligence, even though there is intellectual intelligence is only at a average level. 5 dimensional indicator intelligence emotional. Number 1, introduce self. Number 2, control self. Number 3, motivation. Number 4, empathy. And number 5, skill social. Next, relevant research results. Actually, there are several studies that have discussed topics relevant to the research subject as the research communication. The previous research used in this study are as follows. Although this research has been discussed by previous experts, here I will emphasize the differences between my research and previous research. As for the differences, namely in terms of the object, the population that I choose. Next, conceptual framework. This is a conceptual framework is which online learning X1, parents' attention X2, intellectual intelligence X3, emotional intelligence X4, influence of accounting learning outcome of student at SMKN 15 Jakarta Y. Next, theoretical framework. On learning outcome accounting for SMKN 15 Jakarta student Mahmuda and Putri 2021. Number 1, the online learning method has several problems in its implementation, namely the limited access to technology support which ultimately hampers this activity. Number 2, online learning can affect the accounting learning outcome of SMKN 15 Jakarta student. The problem that arises in the lack of access to supporting learning technology, such as Wi-Fi and technology device use, such as mobile phone, still have limitation to be used as online learning media for class 10 students of SMKN 15 Jakarta who are taking accounting subject. Next, parents' attention to learning outcome accounting from SMKN 15 Jakarta student. Saputri Siswanto dan Sukamanto 2019. Number 1, parents' attention play an important role in the success of study from home. Number 2, the provision of tutoring, learning facility, especially textbook and encouragement to student harder can greatly affect the accounting learning outcome of SMKN 15 Jakarta student. Parent attention is one of the keys to success that is needed during student from home because teachers are no longer able to directly supervise student learning activity. Parents' attention is a very important thing needed by children because parent attention has an influence on children development. Parents play a role as educator and as mentor are responsible for paying attention to children learning activity at home. Parents certainly want their children to grow up smart and intelligent. To achieve this, the role of parents is a very important factor. The provision of tutoring, learning facility, especially textbooks and encouragement to study harder can greatly affect to accounting learning outcome of SMKN 15 Jakarta student. Next, intellectual intelligence on learning outcome accounting for SMKN 15 Jakarta student Herlina and Suwatno 2018. Number 1, a person IQ is related to the level of achievement. Number 2, the higher level of a person is intelligent, the higher the learning outcome. Learning outcomes are not only influenced by external factors, but also internal factors from within the student themselves. Students of SMKN 15 Jakarta must have their own desire to student accounting. The ability of students to student accounting can be measured by intelligent intellectual. Next, emotional intelligence on learning outcome accounting for SMKN 15 Jakarta student Soekarno and Hardianto 2018. Number 1, emotional intelligence affect a person's attitude and behavior. Number 2, if students are able to control their emotional, it will result in optimization of their emotional intelligence function so that they can understanding accounting more easily and automatically affect learning outcome. The emotional intelligence of students has an influence on student learning outcome. Emotional intelligence is able to train the ability to manage their feelings, the ability to motivate themselves, the ability to be strong in the face of frustration, the ability to control impulses and delay momentary gratification, regulate reactive moods, and be able to empathize and cooperate with others. Next, research hypothesis. H1 learning 1 take effect to research student research study of accounting on student at SMKN 15 Jakarta. H2 parents' attention take effect to research student of accounting on student at SMKN 15 Jakarta. H3 intellectual intelligence take effect to research study of accounting on student at SMKN 15 Jakarta. H4 emotional intelligence take effect to research study of accounting on student at SMKN 15 Jakarta. Next, place and time. The place of research was conducted at SMKN 15 Jakarta. Manual SMKN 15 Jakarta is location at Jalan Sriwijaya 1, Selong, Kecamatan Kebayoran, New South Jakarta City, Special Capital Region of Jakarta. The reason for choosing the school to be research location is because the researcher has had internship experience in the place, so that he can better identify his research subject later, namely the student of SMKN 50 Jakarta. Next, the time of the research will be carried on in March 2022 until it's complete. The time was chosen by the researcher because the time was considered by the research the right time to carry out the research, because at the time students were still actively carrying out learning activity and were easily coordinated by the teacher. Next, method and consolidation of relationship between variables. The method chosen by the researcher to conduct this research is a type of quantitative research. According to Sugiono, 2019, quantitative research method can be interpreted as research method based on the philosophy of positivism. Use the examine certain population or samples. Sampling techniques are generally carried out randomly, collecting and using research instruments. Analysis is quantitative or statistician with the aim of testing the established hypothesis. Based on the level of explanation or level of explanation, this research is a type of descriptive research. Descriptive research is research that seeks to describe research activity with the aim of systematically explaining the part and phenomena and theory relationship using mathematical models, theories, and hypotheses rather than research. Sugiono 2019. Therefore, the student aimed to explain the effect of online learning, parental attention, intellectual intelligence, and emotional intelligence on the accounting learning outcome of SMKN 50 Jakarta students. Besides on the results of previous studies on the hypothesis presented in the previous discussion, there is a positive influence between online learning X1, parental attention X2, intellectual intelligence X3, and emotional intelligence X4 on learning outcome H. The constellation of the relationship X1, X2, X3, and X4 to H can be described as follows. Next, population and sample. The population in the study were all students of class 10 SMKN 15 Jakarta who took accounting subject, namely 36 students in one class. Because class 10 has 2 classes, the total population is 72 students. Next sample, the type of non-probability sampling used in this study is statutory sampling, or often called census. Statutory sampling is a sampling technique when all members of the population are sampled. This is done when the population is relatively small. Another term from statutory sample in census, where all the population is sampled. Based on the explanation above, the sample in this study is the entire population taken, namely 72 students of class 10 SMKN 15 Jakarta. There is also a sampling calculation can be seen from the following table. Next, data analysis technique. First, multiple regression equation. Data analysis recruitment test using normality test and linearity test. Next, classic assumptive test using multicollinearity test, heteroscedasticity test, and autocorrelation test. Next, hypothesis test using t-test, f-test, and coefficient of determinant test. The conclusion is the effect of online learning, parents' attention, intellectual intelligence, and emotional intelligence on accounting learning outcome of students of SMKN 15 Jakarta, with a population and sample of all students of class 10 SMKN 15 Jakarta. That is for me. Thank you very much for your attention. I want to apologize if there is a mistake I made. Have a nice day. Goodbye and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.